How to sell physical products on Raket.PH. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell physical products on Raket.PH. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Raket.PH, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Raket.PH, it is a Filipino design e-commerce meets freelancing platform aimed at helping creators, artists, writers, educators, streamers, and many more to turn their talents into income, in which it offers a customizable rocket ship storefront in which that supports instant chat with clients that allows sales of both products and services, and also provides a built-in analytics and order management tools. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click this become a Rocketeer button, and after that you'll automatically be directed on the page where they can click this get started button and sign up using your Google email address or LinkedIn account. After successfully signing in on Raket.com, just click the profile icon on the top right and click Rocketeer dashboard button. Upon clicking this button, it will show you a variety of options to navigate, such as my rocket ship, orders, my wallet, and many more, but just click my rocket ship to start creating or selling here a physical products. And on the top panel in here, just proceed by clicking the products option. By doing so, it will show you this add new product button, so kindly click on it, and it will show you this physical product that is offer a variety of template to navigate in here. You can choose here these decorative candles, fashion earrings, plain t-shirts, and many more. So just click start from scratch button on the top panel, and from here you can start by entering here the name of the product that you are selling, and just check these physical goods. For example, I'm going to enter the name in here, Jersey Miami. Or if you also want to add here more details of this name, I'm going to enter here limited edition Jersey Miami instead. Now as you can see, it is now added the name. Below you could also add a description of it. So basically on this description, you can simply enter or describe the physical goods or products that you are selling. Moving on, under add image, we can click this one to add a specific image. You can choose from stock photo in here. For example, I'm going to search Jersey Miami. Upon clicking on it or searching this one, you should be able to see a variety of results to choose from, but all you need to do is to wait for it to load. Or alternatively, you can also upload from your computer files in here. But as you can see, we have here a variety of results now showcasing, and in those options, I'm going to simply select here the first one that looks like wearing a jersey. Upon clicking this one, you could also add an image if you want to. Moving on to the price, I'm going to enter here a kind of price at least 100 pesos, but I'm going to enter 1,500. And for the quantity, since it is limited edition, I'm going to enter here at least 20 remaining. If you have other variant, you can click add variant in here and enter here the name of that variant and also specific prices of it. But if you don't have one, you can click or simply delete this one. And now in terms of delivery and pickup, by simply turning on this one, if you want to fulfill the order by delivery, you could also set the price or code after order in here. For the price in here, which is fixed, which is 100 for the pricing or shipment price. It also have this instruction to customers. For example, I'm going to enter here, take a video before opening the parcel, in which these instructions will be for the people who want to return the item once they receive or if they're not satisfied. So I'm going to enter here, take a video before opening the parcel to get the returns, if ever damaged. And if you're now done, you could also add here other instruction if you want to. Moving on, if you also want to choose the pickup, you can simply turn on this one and set the price also or code after order. By just doing so, you could also add the same thing. Once you're now done, you can now proceed by simply navigating to save and publish this kind of product that we are selling. So just click save and publish button to proceed. But make sure to also fill out the required information. By doing so, you will now be able to see here that your product is under review. Now aside from creating from scratch, you could also start using some of the template in here available that is also offer a physical product. For example, the slide plants which is by clicking on it, you should be able to see a variety of template, and you could also start customizing and starting the name in here, live plants indoor, for example. And for the description of it, you'd also start changing or adding here a kind of description if you want to. While for the image, you'd also delete this one and add your preferred images. Now for the prices, you can click on it and start customizing it depending on the price that you prefer to sell it. And even the quantity of it if it is limited edition or if you have more stock on your inventory. Now moving on, below you can also simply enter the kind of variants. We have here these small potted plants. I'm going to customize only here the prices for each variant or sizes. And I'm going to make it more affordable for the customers or buyer. So instead of this, I'm going to enter 1,000 pesos for large outdoor plants. And also for the delivery section, you could also customize this one. But now, just click Save and Publish button once you're now done filling out the required information. Now, as you can see, it is currently being under review. And if you click to go to your homepage and go to your dashboard in here, by clicking this button, from here you can start tracking the orders. Aside from this, My Rocket Ship, that you can add services, products, and even your social media. But to share the link for the customer to be able to purchase this, just click the share button on the top right, where you could also copy the URL of Rocket Ship in here. But going back on the page or our dashboard in here, if you also want to start tracking the orders, you can click these orders in here to track the sales and manage it, where it will show you all of the completed, active, and cancelled orders by the customers. While under this My Wallet section, from here you can simply track your balance and even you're available for withdrawal to withdraw depending on your preferences. And below it will show you the list of your history of transactions. Now going back on the page in here of our dashboard, below you could also navigate these deliveries to track and manage your deliveries in here. But under the customers section, from here it will show you the list of your customers, including their number or total orders, total spend, their first order date, and even their last order date. But going back on our page in here, below you could also navigate the recommendations and even the discount if you also want to add one. Just click Add Discount button, and in this pop-up window, we can start adding the discount by filling out this required information, including the name, discount code, the type, the percentage, and many more. Going back in here, you could also navigate the affiliates to let your customers or to let other people to invite your affiliate program by sharing the unique affiliate link. You'd also customize the commission percentage that they will receive in here. But going back in here, you could click this analytics to navigate all of your insights and data to track how many visitors, sales, and how many orders you receive on this specific month or day. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell physical products on Raket.PH. Thank you.